Hello everyone, thank you for stopping by my channel and welcome if you are new. Today's video is going to be a refrigerator clean out and reorganize. I am very excited to get this project done. I've had it on my to-do list for a few months now as the refrigerator has just gotten more and more disorganized and chaotic. It was just time for me to tackle it. Since I'm always in and out of the refrigerator more than everyone else in my house, getting meals ready for everybody or getting snacks for kids, I just needed to make it really work for me. So that's what we're going to see in today's video. Let's go ahead and get started.
It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody.
So here is where we are starting with today. My refrigerator isn't too full. We were going to go shopping and get more groceries later, so I'm just giving you a tour. As you can see, there's no rhyme or reason. Everything is just thrown in everywhere, wherever it fits at this point, and that is making me crazy. You know, I don't have time to dig around and look for everything, you know, when the kids are screaming for me to get them food, or I'm in a time crunch to get dinner ready. And everything needs a good wipe down. You can see there's some stains and some crumbs pretty much on every shelf and every level of the refrigerator. Even my ice maker is dirty, which I don't understand how that even happened. So this is what we need to get started with. I'll give you a peek at my freezer too. It's not as bad as everything else. I'm just going to tidy it up a little bit, clean it out. There are some crumbs. So that's our starting point. Let's get to it.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no.
You know, it's always amazing to me how my refrigerator didn't look like it had that much in it, and then I take everything out and my countertops are just covered. My camera didn't pick it up as much as I hoped that it would, but I'm trying to give you a glimpse of all of the sticky spots and stains that had gone all over these shelves in my refrigerator. The worst area for sure is my wide drawer at the bottom, and then there's just a lot of crumbs in the side shelves. So I couldn't wait to get this all cleaned out and wiped down. So I'm not just going to be wiping down with a general purpose cleaner, I'm going to actually be disinfecting as well. So I went ahead and grabbed my 409, and then I'm going to get a rag with really hot water to wipe everything down.
There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Now, no never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever.
So I went ahead and I bought 2 different packs of clear plastic bins off of Amazon. I knew I wanted to go with clear bins in my refrigerator because it would be that much easier to see exactly where everything was and how much I had of everything for future trips to the grocery store. And now what I'm doing here is I'm just trying to put the bins in first and see where they fit the best, and then I'm going to categorize what goes where based on that.
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. Beyond the horizon. Beyond the horizon.
So just like with every project you take on as far as organizing goes, it is a process. Things oftentimes don't work out perfectly the first way that you try them, and so you're going to see me move things around a lot just to find exactly the right fit.
So that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther.
Okay, so I got the refrigerator part about to where I think it'll work for me, and now I'm just going to organize just the top drawer of my freezer. That's the one that I'm in and out of probably the most throughout the day, so that was the one that I needed to get a little bit better organized. So I started to move everything around, and then I realized that there were a lot more crumbs in there than what I originally thought there were. So I had to go get my vacuum to vacuum it out, and then I'm just going to wipe it down with a Clorox wipe real quick.
Knowing there is more in life that I want. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. Beyond the horizon. Beyond the horizon.
Okay, it's almost time for the big reveal. I just want us all to take a look back at how the refrigerator looked when I got started today.
We escaped with our first real paycheck. Wasn't much, but we needed less. Yeah, than we do now. We were driving along the coast. memories on my face. Wanted to go as far as we ever could.
And here it is. This is how everything turned out. All of the condiments are now located back in the doors. And I have these shelves over here organized from ones we used most up top down to the bottom. And at the bottom I have our most used coffee creamers and everything like that. On the side is just some extras that we don't use as often, but they're much easier accessible now. Over here I have all of our larger liquids. My husband takes a yogurt to work every week, so I knew he was going to get a dedicated basket. I'm going to put some more fruit in that middle one. Here are some cheeses or cups or open baby food pouches for my kids throughout the day. And we love cheese in this house, so we have a ton in this basket right here. And then up here is where I'm going to keep all of our leftovers, and I always have a big tub of spinach for myself, so that's where that's going to stay. This drawer is going to be where we keep our deli meats, and any meat we take out of the freezer to thaw out will be next to it. That way it's not touching anything else in the refrigerator. And then over here I have my extra dairies, any bigger yogurts or cream cheese and sour cream. It's also where I'm going to put any extra fruit if we buy a more bulk purchase of it. And I decided to change the setting on this drawer and make it my crisper drawer where I will keep my veggies, which from what I've read so far should keep them fresh for longer. So we'll see how that works out. And then here is how my freezer turned out. It's looking a lot better. I've got my daughter's Go-Gurts, which she has every day on the side that she can grab, some veggies, some sandwiches, and we go through a lot of frozen fruit in this house, so I've got that organized as well. I love it. I think it turned out great. Thank you for stopping by my house today and cleaning with me. And until next time, I'll see you later.